Hey guys, it's Jolette Princess here. Today I'm going to show you my slime restock. So this first one is a blue clear slime with a lot of glitters. And I'm sorry of the background noises. This next slime is a blue slime with a lot of purple foam beads in it. It's really crunchy. This next slime is a clear slime with a lot of gold glitter. This next slime, my sister's showing it to y'all. It's this, sorry, she don't know how to show good slimes, how to poke good slimes. This is a white slime that's butter slime. This next one I'm doing is it's called Grandma's Color because my grandma's favorite color. It's a purple butter slime. Alright, let's move on to the next one. This next one, my sister is poking and it's a fail. Take two. It's also a fail. This next one, also a fail. Anyway, this is a brown butter slime and it's not a good slime. This next one is a glow-in-the-dark blue clear slime with a lot of red glitter and other different types of glitter. When it glows in the dark, it glows in the dark green. This next slime, my sister is also showing it. It's also a fail, and it's a yellow, fluffy slime with a lot of glitter.
I'll do it.
Are you posting this? This last slime is a horrible slime. It's not even stretchy and it has a lot of hairs in it. And it's a pink hard slime. It's like a putty. Thank you guys for watching. Jolette Princess here.